In this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest way to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account. Now, first, you want to make sure you're logged in on the same smartphone. You want to make sure to log in your Facebook account and your Instagram account. And secondly, you want to make sure to switch your Instagram account to a professional account, okay? Now, on your Instagram profile, click on the edit profile here and go to where you can find connect and create. Now click on connect and create. It's going to ask you connect or create a Facebook page. So if you already have a page, you just need to click on continue. If you don't have a page yet, I'll suggest to watch my video on how to create a Facebook page. You can find the link up here. Now watch that video, and before you proceed to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. And if you don't have one, you can also create one here, but I won't suggest you do that here. Okay, so click on continue. So I'm just going to click on login to Facebook. So in my case, I'm already logged in. So you're just going to say continue. And you want to select the page which you want to connect to your Instagram account. So I'm just going to select Kitty Cat and click on connect. So let's wait for it to connect. So it says your Instagram account is now connected to your Facebook page. Is that is? So let's go back to check to confirm if it is connected already. Now let's go back and let's go back to edit profile. Let's go down. Now, if your page is connected successfully, you're going to find it here. And if it's not connected, it means you have to do it over again. Okay. Now let's just go back to the main dashboard. So thank you once again. It's Demilade Daniel. We have come to the end of this class. If you're new to my channel, please do well to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my content. Thank you. I'll see you again.